So I am in the car, and today I am going on a little thrift store adventure together with my mom. And she doesn't like to be on camera too much, so I'm not going to film her. And it's really hot in here, so I want to turn the AC on, get this thing on here, and let's go. So I'm going to try to show you the haul. Evie's very happy that I'm back. So I got 2 little things this time. Find the first one, and this is the first one, and it's like real wood. Well, hi! It's real wood, and I really love this. Look how detailed it is. This is so cool. There's a little bird on here, and there's a little man on top of this one, and little houses. And this one was €2, and it was glued to something, but I really love this. Okay, so next to this I also got this little pot, and I got it because these reminded me of boobs, so I thought it was really fun. And there was no lid, but I thought I could put a plant in here and it would be really cool. And this one was €1.50. So for the both of these, I only paid €3.50. So thank you so much for coming on this little thrift store adventure with me and my mom. I really hope you liked it, and hopefully I will see you next time. Oh, my little kibble. So for the both, hi. Ja, wat is? Wat is?